We're showing off Slint, the UI toolkit that is cross-platform and supports multiple programming languages. Behind me is our wall of different devices, showing devices from different vendors, including Toradex. Toradex is our partner. We're happy to partner with them to bring UI choices onto Toradex hardware. Behind me, I've got two Toradex boards. The first one you can see here is the i.MX, showing off our home automation demo. This is a fully responsive design. You can run it at different resolutions, and it will adapt automatically. Thanks to Torizon, it runs out of the box on the i.MX, regardless of what hardware you have. The second board we have here is the brand new i.MX 95. Again, thanks to Torizon, the same demo runs out of the box on the same hardware. What's special about the i.MX 95 is that it has an additional safety component that we can use using the Cortex M33. This is not something we show off this year at the Embedded World, but we're working on adding support for that as well in Slint, so that Slint can be used in safety critical applications.